Hi everyone, my name is Christy. I live in Bend, Oregon, and I have, for as long as I can remember, been interested in helping others. And somewhere along the line, I learned that I needed to kind of work through my own stuff first before I felt courageous enough, I guess, to venture into a master's program for social work. But along the way, I think the thing that really pushed me over the line that helped me get there is about 10 years ago. My now 29-year-old son was diagnosed with paranoid schizophrenia and then self-medicated by intravenously using methamphetamine. So in order to maintain connection with him, have had to learn a lot, not only about him, but mostly about myself in order to be able to be an influence in his life and help him to, and encourage him to, and advocate for him to get treatment. So, I currently work with a county mental health program doing jail diversion, where I go into the jails and try to make connection with individuals who are cycling in and out of the criminal justice system due to low-level crimes as a result of their mental health challenges and or addiction challenges. So I'm currently working on getting my drug and alcohol counseling certification, but my background is mostly in mental health. I'm really excited about this program and really nervous about it. And so looking forward to meeting all of you and learning together. And I guess that's it. So here we go. Thank you, and I look forward to talking to you all. Bye-bye.